In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and set up the Yahoo Mail app on your Android device. If you're ready to keep all your emails organized and accessible with just a few taps, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into the process step by step, ensuring you have a smooth experience from start to finish. To start things off, grab your Android smartphone or tablet and take a glance at the home screen. What you're looking for is the Google Play Store icon. Now, this could be directly on your home screen or perhaps nestled within your app drawer. Either way, tap that icon to get the ball rolling. Once the Play Store opens up, you'll see a search bar proudly sitting at the top. This is your gateway to all kinds of apps. Go ahead and tap on that search bar and type in Yahoo Mail. As you type, the Play Store might suggest the app to you. You can simply tap it from those suggestions or continue typing and then search. Now let's move on to finding the right app. In your search results, look for the official Yahoo Mail app. A good tip here is to watch out for the distinctive Yahoo logo, which will help you identify the correct app quickly. Once you spot it, tap on the app to open its page. On this page, you'll find a wealth of details about the Yahoo Mail app, from user reviews to technical information. But don't get too bogged down with the details at this moment. Your goal here is to proceed with the installation. To do that, simply tap on the Install button. What this does is download and install the application directly onto your device, a convenient and streamlined process. The installation shouldn't take too long, but this will depend on your internet speed. Once it's complete, you're almost set up. You'll have a couple of options here. Either tap Open directly from the Play Store, which is pretty handy, or head back to your home screen or app drawer where the Yahoo Mail icon should now be proudly displayed, ready to launch. And now comes the final piece of the puzzle, signing in. Tap to open the Yahoo Mail app and you'll be prompted to enter your Yahoo credentials. Carefully input your login details, ensuring accuracy to avoid any login issues. And there you have it. Your Yahoo Mail app is downloaded, installed, and set up, ready for you to use and manage your emails efficiently. Remember, having quick access to your mail can help keep your communication flowing smoothly. We hope this tutorial has been helpful and that you're now comfortably set up with Yahoo Mail on your Android device. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more tech tips and guides.